which headphones to choose for work or for listening to music under $80, even under $70. I took 3 different headphones and today we'll find out the winner. Shure, Sennheiser and Audio-Technica. Let's go! What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On channel, and today here we have Audio-Technica ATH-M30X headphones, Sennheiser HD200 Pro and Shure SRH440. Let's go. I've selected different categories, so the first place will get 3 points, the second place 2 points and the third place 1 point. Let's start off with the design. Design is a very specific and a very unique feature, and every person decides for himself or for herself which one is better, but for me the Sennheisers are looking the best. This little ribs are great. And the overall plastic, the matte black finish is great. The second place is for Audio-Technica, at least for me. I like the logo, I like the matte plastic as well. And this Audio-Technica logo right here. And the Shure is the least nice for me. I don't really like the design. This little red thing and this little blue thing is not exactly very fashionable. So for the design, it's for the Sennheiser, then the Audio-Technica, then Shure. And now about the comfort. For me, the least comfortable are Sennheisers. They are very, tough, and I was working around 5 hours in every single set of headphones, how do you say this? And the Sennheiser were a little, too tight for me, to my head, and those ear cups are a little small also for me. The most comfortable for me are Audio-Technica headphones. They're great. I've been working in those for more than 8 hours because I do own those one, but it doesn't matter because it's a totally independent opinion. Also, I've tested all of the headphones on my girlfriend. Her name is Katyusha. A little bit later I'll show you the test, and she was giving the points to everyone in terms of comfort and in terms of sound, and the results are pretty different from my results. And now the most interesting part, the sound quality. For me, the best are Audio-Technica headphones because they produce a lot of bass, and a very good one, not overwhelmingly bassy. Nice middle part and not that sharp high frequencies. The second place is for Shure. The second place is for Shure because they produce a little sharper high frequencies and it's not very pleasing to my ear. And the third place is for Sennheiser. They're pretty mushy and messy, and I don't really like the sound. It's like, a porridge of sound, something messy. But for my girlfriend it was different results. And now let's watch Katyusha's, my girlfriend's, test and let's see her results.
Hi guys!
You ready?
Yes. В общем, хочу себе, чтобы работали как эти, сидели как те.
And now let's move on to my girlfriend's test. She has, in terms of sound quality, the first place for Shure. She really enjoyed the sound from those headphones. Also, the second place is for Sennheiser and the third place for Audio-Technica. And then in terms of comfort, she said that the best ones are the Sennheisers because they're lighter, a little smaller, and for her head it's better, but for my head they're very tight. Then the second place is for Audio-Technica and the third place is for Shure. For sure, again, because she said that it's like the pilot's headphones in the plane and it's too heavy, too bulky for her head. This means that you have to first come to a store, wear those headphones and listen for those headphones for kind of different tracks and understand that this sounds better for you. And you can also watch some talking head videos like my videos, for instance, and choose for yourself because it's very personal. Now let's talk about the kit. The best kit is in Shure headphones. They have a little adapter. All 3 headphones have a little adapter like this, from the mini jack to a regular jack, and I've been using those headphones together with my audio interface Audient Evo 4, and the sound quality is great. And Katyusha also was listening the headphones through the audio interface, but you can plug those in a regular computer, the mini jack, or your phone. Also, Shure has detachable cable right here, which is nice, and a very nice bag, which is also very good one. Then Audio-Technica, it has only the detachable connector, I mean the mini jack to jack adapter, and also a bag. And the Sennheisers, they have only the adapter from the mini jack to the regular jack and nothing else in the kit. And now about the build quality and the foldability. Is there a word? Foldability? So I gave 1 point to Audio-Technica and 1 point to Shure and 0 points for Sennheiser. So if we look at Sennheiser, they have a plastic band. This, this part is made out of plastic and we only have a little bit of pivot right here and they do not fold in any way. The Audio-Technica is much better. The leather, artificial leather of course, is very soft. Those ear cups are also very soft. We have metal right here in the extension parts and also you know, the pivot option, and they fold like so, a very compact option. And the Shure is also a good one. We have plastic here, but it's much fatter and thicker plastic. Also they fold like so, also pretty compact. And the overall quality and the leather is good and pretty soft to the touch. So 1 point here, 1 point here, and 0 points here. And now the review is getting a little geeky, and we'll talk about the headphones handling power. So Audio-Technica gets 2 points from me because it has 1300 megawatts, and the Sennheiser and Shure, they have 500 megawatts and 1 point. And now about the impedance. So the impedance of Audio-Technica is 47 ohm, the Shure headphones 44 ohms, and then the Sennheisers are 32 ohms. So 3 points, 2 points, and 1 point. And now about the frequency range. All three headphones have the maximum frequency range of 22,000 and the minimum frequency range is 15 for Audio-Technica, 10 for Shure, and 20 for Sennheiser. But the human ear cannot really hear everything which is below 80, so I won't give any points for those. It's just for the info for you guys. And now about the price. All three headphones, they are around $70, $68, $69 somewhere, and you can even find some better deals in the net. So it's kind of the same, it's a draw, no points here for each. So the results. Sennheiser gets 13 points in total, Shure gets 16 points in total, and Audio-Technica gets 17 points in total. But they're all pretty nice ones, especially the Shure one and the Audio-Technica. So guys, which headphones do you use? Which one do you like more? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons as I say in my videos, and the notifications bell of course. That was Oleg Nikitin, No Limits On. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.